Australian crypto laundering crackdown. ASIC charges for over $35 million fake bond scam. Australia. Crypto scams. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 7, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. 4 Australian men, including former barrister Demetrius Poderitis, are facing money laundering charges for allegedly facilitating sophisticated investment scams that converted victim funds into crypto between January and July 2021. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission alleges the defendants operated fake investment comparison websites and Facebook advertisements to attract investors with fraudulent bonds offering fixed returns between 4.5% and 9.5% annually. Professional documentation masks crypto conversion scheme. ASIC charged Poderitis alongside Peter Delis, Basilios Floropoulos, and Harry Tsalakidis for recklessly dealing with proceeds of crime while not directly operating the investment scams. The scheme allegedly used high-quality fake prospectuses mimicking major financial services providers to convince victims to deposit funds into Australian bank accounts before transferring money to offshore accounts and crypto exchanges. These latest charges come as Australia intensifies its crackdown on cryptocurrency-related financial crimes, with authorities recently shutting down massive criminal operations and implementing enhanced oversight of crypto exchanges. ASIC has disabled over 10,000 malicious websites while processing 1,500 victim claims totaling $35.8 million in losses across 14 countries. Recent enforcement actions also include restraining $123 million in assets from a Gold Coast security company's money laundering network and charging operators who converted cash into cryptocurrency through complex banking arrangements. Regarding these latest charges, the Commonwealth Director of Public Prosecutions will handle the prosecution following ASIC's referral, with committal proceedings scheduled for October 30, 2025. ASIC targets investment scam network using professional documentation. The alleged investment scam utilized sophisticated marketing techniques, including fictitious comparison websites and targeted social media advertising, to reach potential victims. Scammers contacted interested investors through telephone and email, providing professionally crafted documentation that closely resembled legitimate financial services materials. The fraudulent investment offerings ranged from 1 to 10 years, with attractive fixed returns designed to appeal to conservative investors seeking stable income. ASIC alleges the defendants controlled Australian bank accounts that received victims' deposits before quickly transferring funds internationally to avoid detection. The investigation began after ASIC received multiple complaints from both consumers and corporate entities who had been defrauded. The regulator's analysis revealed patterns of fund movement from domestic accounts to offshore locations and cryptocurrency platforms, establishing the money laundering network's operational structure. Tsalakidis allegedly aided and abetted the other 3 defendants while not directly controlling bank accounts used in the scheme. The defendants also allegedly exploited trust in traditional financial institutions by copying authentic documentation and branding to legitimize their fraudulent offerings. Crypto crime enforcement accelerates across multiple agencies. Australian authorities have dramatically expanded cryptocurrency crime enforcement through coordinated multi-agency operations targeting money laundering networks. The Queensland Joint Organised Crime Task Force executed 14 search warrants and restrained $21 million in assets from a security company laundering operation that processed $190 million in illicit funds. ASIC has shuttered an average of 130 scam websites weekly while deregistering 95 companies linked to international pig butchering schemes. The federal court approved winding up orders after finding that companies were registered using false information to provide legitimacy to fraudulent investment platforms. Similarly, in April, AUSTRAC enhanced oversight of crypto exchanges by warning that inactive platforms face deregistration while launching a publicly searchable registry for consumer verification. The agency contacted dormant registered exchanges among 427 businesses to prevent criminal exploitation of legitimate registrations. These large-scale scams are not limited to Australia alone. Recent phishing attacks have cost individual investors millions, including a $3.05 million tether loss and $900,000 approval transaction exploit. CertiK recently reported $2.2 billion in crypto losses during the first half of 2025, with wallet breaches causing $1.7 billion across 34 incidents and phishing scams accounting for $410 million through 132 attacks. Most recently, YouTube account hijacking schemes promoted fake crypto trading bots that drained investor funds once users deposited minimum amounts of Ethereum. Attackers collected over $939,000 through multiple wallet addresses while using AI-generated videos and managed comment sections to create false legitimacy. While Australia is cautious about crypto, the country has recently started its wholesale CBDC testing through Project Acacia, where 24 industry participants will conduct real money transactions across multiple digital asset platforms. ASIC granted regulatory relief to facilitate the 6-month pilot program examining tokenized assets and central bank digital currency applications. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. USA Today calls XRP the smartest $500 by institutions coming. XRP price prediction. Japan's first Bitcoin XRP ETF set to launch. Is this the trigger for $100 XRP? XRP price prediction. Trump's $8.7 trillion 401k crypto plan could trigger XRP explosion to $1,000. News. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. 1 day ago. By Tim Hackey. Altcoin news. XRP surges over 13% after Ripple and SEC drop final appeals in landmark case. 1 day ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. ETH breaks $4,000. Could a new ADH be next? 8 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.